Sensors ensure that they stop on time. The ropeway is automatic. It goes from one end to other and stop on their own. So this carries the mats in the water park. The best part of it is not a very simple or straightforward ropeway because of this obstruction here. We had to design a ropeway where it crosses over to 45 degree, and all those hooks and hangers have to cross over to 45 degree as well. You can see the mats are coming there. So it just crosses over 45 degree, tilts up, and these slide up like this. This has to be delivered to second floor. There is a sensor there which will stop it in time.
ಈಗ ಡೌನ್ ತಂದಿದ್ವಿ, ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.